Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the story is The Priceless Gift. In our last class, we came to know that the young girl created a curiosity in the mind of the writer. The writer asked to the waiter if the waiter knew the girl. Now, then what happened? Let's know now. Look at your book. No, sir. I noticed she has a lunch here on Saturdays. Who said it? Who do you think might have said it? किए କହିଥିବ ବୋଲି ତମେ ଭାବୁଛ? The waiter, right. When the writer inquired about the girl, the waiter said, no, sir. I notice ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି she has a lunch here on Saturdays. ଶନିବାର ଦିନ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ସିଏ ଲଞ୍ଚ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଆସିଥାଏ. Who has a lunch? The young girl has a lunch on Saturdays at this restaurant. She comes on payday only. Payday means ଦରମା ମିଳିବା ଦିନ ହିଁ ଆସେ. ଯେଉଁ ଦିନ ଦରମା ମିଳେ, particularly on that day, she turns up to this restaurant, comes to this restaurant. Perhaps, both way, perhaps she does not earn much. Earn means अर्जिबा. She does not earn much. बोध से बेसी अर्जु नहीं. Who does not earn much? The young girl. Else, but that is not much. Right? Next. I was moved by what he said. When the writer heard it from the waiter, he was moved. विचलित होइगले. Who was moved? The writer was moved. The curiosity I felt about the girl. The curiosity means what? Kautuhala. The curiosity I felt about the girl persisted means continued. ତା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ କୌତୂହଳ ମୋ ମନରେ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହେଇଥିଲା, it continued. Why had she inquired about me? The writer asked himself. Why had the girl inquired about me? Who was the mysterious child? Mysterious रहस्यजनक. Who was that girl? Where was she from? Why had she inquired about the poet, about the writer? These questions arose in the writer's mind again and again. I kept thinking. ମୁଁ ଭାବି ଚାଲିଲି. Who kept thinking? The writer kept thinking. After poverty stricken, poverty ଦାରିଦ୍ର୍ୟ ପ୍ରପୀଡ଼ିତ, poverty stricken sad anxious figure. ମୁଁ ତାର ଦାରିଦ୍ର୍ୟ ପ୍ରପୀଡ଼ିତ, ଦୁଃଖପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ, ଉତ୍କଣ୍ଠିତ ରୂପ ବିଷୟରେ ଖାଲି ଭାବି ଚାଲିଲି. Who kept thinking the writer about whom? About the girl. What was the girl looking? The girl was looking poverty stricken, having a sad, anxious figure. Could I help her in any way? He asked himself, ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କେଉଁ ପ୍ରକାର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବି କି? The week passed. What did I say?
The week passed.
What passed? The week passed. ସପ୍ତାହଟା ବିତିଗଲା. Saturday came again. Again Saturday came. What came?
Saturday again.
Saturday. What came?
Saturday came again.
I went to the same restaurant. Who went?
The
Writer went to the same restaurant. As I entered, the writer entered this restaurant. Entered, I saw her sitting at the same table. When the writer entered the restaurant, the writer saw that the girl was sitting at the same table he sat the previous day. As before, she was eating. Who was eating? The girl was eating. I went up to her, ता पाखु गली. Who went? The writer. And took the chair opposite hers. तार विपरीत पार्श्व पड़िथिबा चेयर I sat. Who sat? The writer sat. Where? Just the opposite, just on the opposite chair of the girl. I wished her a good afternoon. The writer said, hello, good afternoon. Who said it?
The writer.
Who? To whom?
The young girl.
To young girl. The writer wished or greeted the girl saying, good afternoon, or I wished her a good afternoon, and then by making one brief remark, brief sankhipta remark, mantavya. Who gave a brief remark? The writer. After another, गोटा पर गोटे remark दे चले. I was able to start a conversation. Then he started a conversation. So what do you mean by conversation? कथोपकथन आलाप. At last she asked, परिशेष रे झीटा पचारा, are you an Indian? The girl asked to the writer if he was an Indian. My brother is in India. He is a soldier. Who is a soldier? The girl's brother is a soldier. Who narrates it? The girl narrates it. किए कौची वर्णना करछि झियो. We have not had a letter from him for a long time. बहुत दिन ହେଲା ताडू आमे चिट्ठी खंडे पाइलु. We have not had a letter from him for a long time. Who says it?
The young girl.
The young girl. My brother is very worried. My mother is very worried. Whose mother? The girl's mother is very worried. भारी व्यस्त विव्रत. She is afraid. से डरुची. Something has happened to him. तार किसी गोटे अघटन घटी जाइए बा तार किसी गोटे हो जाइए बोली. My father is afraid of it. My mother is afraid of it. Thank you. इमिति अलर्ट रहियार अछि पाठ पढ़ला so that you will learn a lot. Okay. Next. Who was worried?
The mother. The young girl mother.
The young girl's mother was worried. About what? Something would have happened to his son. I learned that her only guardian was her brother. फ्रॉम इट एइथरू द राइटर केम टू नो दैट जानिया पाइले जे द गर्ल्स ओनली गार्डियन वाज हर ब्रदर एंड शी हैज नोबडी एल्स हर मदर she lived with her old widowed mother. Widowed means
विधवा
mother, Mistress Bethy. Who was Mistress Bethy? Mistress Bethy was the young girl's mother. Right. I understood how she felt. ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି ତାର ଦୁଃଖଟା ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି ଦ ରାଇଟର ଆଡମିଟ୍ସ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ସି ୱାଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ମି ଟୁ ସି ହର ମଦର ବଟ୍ ସି ଡିଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ଦି କରେଜ୍ ଟୁ ଆସ୍କ ମି କରେଜ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ସାହସ ଟୁ ଏକମ୍ପାନୀ ହର ହୋମ୍ ଦ ଅଥର ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ I understood how she felt. से कौन अनुभव कर मु बुझिपाली आई थिंक सी वांटेड मी टू सी हर मदर सी चाहूँ जे मु जाई ता माँ को देखा करी बट सी डिड नॉट हैव दी करेज कि तार साहस नहीं टू आस्क मी टू एकम्पानी हेयर होम ता सहित ता घर को जीवाई मत डाकिबा तार साहस नहीं हु थिंक्स इट The writer thinks it. We finished our lunch and got up together. खाइबा शेष कलु छिड़ालु एज वी walked who finished the lunch the writer and the young girl and got up together as we walked I asked her मे आई नो योर नेम मु तुम नाटा टे जापारि कि हु सेड इट
The writer.
यस माय नेम इज मैगी हु सेड इट
The young girl.
द यंग गर्ल द नेम ऑफ द यंग गर्ल इज मैगी द नेम ऑफ द यंग गर्ल्स मदर इज मिस्टर बेथी वी चैटेड प्लीजेंटली बहुत खुशी रे गपसप कलु वी चैटेड चाट यू नो मोबाइल रे यू चाट ओके वी चार्जड प्लीजेंटली एंड सून रीचड ए बस स्टैंड गपसप कले तुरंत सहसा गोटे बस रोचुवा स्थान रे जाकर पहुँची गले हु रीचड द गर्ल
And the girl.
writer where did the girl and the writer reached a bus stand right this gave me the opportunity what do you mean by opportunity means subarna sujog this gave me the opportunity of asking her where she worked से केउटारे काम करुची पचारिबा पाई एई परिस्थिति मत गोटे सुवर्ण सुजोग देला हु सेज इट
The writer.
द राइटर सेज इट डू यू यूजुअली गो दिस वे आई आस्क्ड साधारणतः तू एई रास्ता दे जाऊ हु आस्क्ड होम
The writer asked the young girl.
The writer asked the young girl if she went this way every day. No. Who said no? The girl said. She answered, I usually take the village bridge. ମୁଁ ଗାଁର ବ୍ରିଜ୍ ପୋଲ୍ ଦେଇ ଯାଉଛି. It is being repaired at the moment. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏହା ମରାମତି କାମ ଚାଲିଛି. being repaired passive voice. Soon we approached their neighborhood. ତାଙ୍କ ପଡ଼ୋଶୀ ପାଖାପାଖି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲୁ. ହୁ approached means ନିକଟବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ହେବା ନିକଟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା. We had reached a narrow doorway, narrow संकीर्ण doorway प्रवेश पथ. Who reached both the young girl and the writer reached the narrow doorway. Maggie took a thin lace key out of her pocket. Who took key
Maggie.
from her pocket and opened the door. କବାଟ she entered and said, please come in sir. କବାଟ ଖୋଲିଲା କହିଲା ଦୟାକରି ଭିତରକୁ. Who said whom?
The young girl.
Asked, politely asked the writer to come in. Okay. Together we descended ଓହ୍ଲାଇଲୁ. Descended means ଓହ୍ଲାଇବା. The stairs to the kitchen. ପାହାଚରୁ ଓହ୍ଲେଇଲୁ. ରୋଷେଇ ଶାଳକୁ ଯାଉଥିବା ପାହାଚ ଦେଇ ଆମେ ଗଲୁ. Who descended?
The
Writer and young girl. Maggie. Mother, said Maggie. From the doorway. ପ୍ରବେଶ ପଥରୁ ଆଗା. The girl cried, mother, mother. See who has come. ଆସ ଦେଖିବ କିଏ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି. Mother, said Maggie from the doorway. An Indian gentleman has come to see you. ତମକୁ ଦେଖା କରିବାକୁ ଜଣେ ଭାରତୀୟ ଯୁବକ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି. Who said?
The Maggie.
The Maggie.
The young girl.
The young girl Maggie. What did young girl say? Mother, an Indian gentleman has come to see you. Where is he? The old woman asked eagerly. ଆତୁରରେ ପଚାରିଲା. କାହିଁ? That means where is he? With a smile. ମୁରିକି ହସା. Smile means with a smile I stepped into the kitchen behind Maggie. Maggie ପଛରେ ମୁଁ ରୋଷେଇଶାଳା ଭିତରକୁ ଗଲି. Who went to the kitchen?
The writer.
The writer. Behind whom? The Maggie.
Maggie.
You always use the before proper noun. What is this? When will you learn? Don't use article a and before proper noun. Maggie is a proper noun. How many times need I instruct you? So remember, don't make such a type of mistake in future. Okay? Now let's come to the point. ସେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ଡ ଆଜ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ ବୋଲେ ଆମକୁ ଆମର ପରିଚୟ ଦେଇଦେଲେ. ହାଉ ଡୁ ୟୁ ଡୁ? କେମିତି ଅଛ? ହାଉ ଆର୍ ୟୁ? ଏଜ୍ ୱି ଆସ୍କ. ଆଇ ସେଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହି ହେଲ୍ଡ ଆଉଟ୍ ମାଇ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସ୍. ମୋ ହାତରେ ଧରି ପକାଇଲା. ଏକ୍ସକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ମି, ମାଇ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଆର୍ କଭର୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ଫ୍ଲୋର୍. ଫ୍ଲୋର୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଅଟା ଚୁନା. ସେ ମା କହିଲା କ୍ଷମା କରିବୁ, ମୋର ହାତଟା ଅଟା ଚୁନା ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ମେକିଂ କେକ୍. ମୁଁ କେକ୍ ତିଆରି କରୁଛି. ପିପୁଲ୍ ୱିଲ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ ବାଇ ଦେମ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଭିନିଂ. ଆଜି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଲୋକେ ଆସିବେ କିଣିବେ. ହୁ ୱିଲ୍ କମ୍? ପିପୁଲ୍ ୱିଲ୍ କମ୍. ଟୁ ଡୁ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍? ଟୁ ବାଇ କେକ୍ସ. Who is making the cake? Mother. Mr. Bethy is making the cakes. This is the way we make our living. Both the old woman is making or was making her living in this way. एमिति से माने काम करी जीविका अर्जन कर मेकिंग द लिविंग लॉर्ड्स ऑफ ट्रबल बहुत समस्या वी हैव ए लॉर्ड्स ऑफ ट्रबल वी लीड ए वेरी हार्ड लाइफ वी लिव ए वेरी डिफिकल्ट लाइफ every day I make cakes, sell them and earn some money to fill this stomach. Who says it?
Mr. Bethy.
Mr. Bethy says it. Saturday night is a time of festivity. Festivity means पर्व. इन पुर नेबरहुड्स शनिवार समयटा गोटे प्रकार पर्व समय all kinds of things are sold on this night. On Saturdays there sits a market, a lot of people to come to the market to buy their provisions for the week. All sorts of all kinds of things are sold on that place. The streets are more crowded, full of people. Crowded means than any other day. On Saturdays the streets, roads are filled with people. This is the day when they are able to spend a little from their weekly wages. On this day, people spend a part of their wages in the marketplace. What kind of a country is India, sir? What kind of a country is India, sir? Asked Mr. Bethy. भारतटा किपरि देशटा? As she resumed her cooking, रांधिवा काम करथुवा समय आगे पचारला जे इंडियाटा किपरि देशटा? What kind of country is India? Who asked? Mr. Bethy asked to the writer. A beautiful country. What else? A beautiful country. Who said it? The writer. सुंदर देश. Safe to live in. बसवास करिया निरापद. Safe means निरापद. The country is safe to live in. Aren't there पचाला safe to live in? बसवास करिया निरापद तो? Who asked it? Bethy. Mr. Bethy asked. Aren't there too many snakes and tigers? Said साप बाघ बेसी नाहांती ना? Who asked it?
Mr. Bethy.
Yeah. Don't they kill people? These snakes and tigers kill people? Who asked all these questions? Mr. Bethy asked all these questions to the writer. This type of question has often been asked. पचरा जाए यही प्रकार प्रश्न बहुत समय ऑफन मीन्स बहुत समय पचरा जाए. डोंट बिलीव दैट स्नेक्स एंड टाइगर्स आर किल्ड बाय द पीपल इफ दे कम टू क्लोज. डोंट बिलीव दैट स्नेक्स एंड किलर इमिति विश्वास करन जे साप बाघ पाखु पर मार दउचंते लिखि. डोंट बिलीव सो. My son is in the Punjab. Who says it? Mr. Bethy says that his son was in Punjab. He is a soldier, Sainik. What kind of a place is the Punjab? Here wrongly. What kind of the place is Punjab? Punjab गोटे की प्रकार जगह. Who asked it?
Mr. Bethy.
Mr. Bethy asked to the writer about Punjab. Again, the Punjab is a fine place. It is a, again the writer says India is a beautiful place and Punjab is also a beautiful place. It is a very healthy place to live in. ବସବାସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟକର ସ୍ଥାନ. Which is a healthy place? Punjab is a to live in. I am glad to hear it, I am glad to hear it. Mr. Bethy said. Oh, ଶୁଣି ଭାରି ଖୁସି ହେଲି. I am glad to hear it. I am happy to hear it. Who said it? Mr. Bethy. Here banking was finished. Baking was finished. I said banking instead of baking. Right? That is not banking, that is baking. Sekiba. Here baking was finished. The ruti seka solla. Whose baking was finished? Mr. Bethy's. Maggie, she said. Ask called Maggie. Take Mr. Gupta upstairs. उपरକୁ नहीं जाते ऊपर घर को upstairs. I shall wash my hands and bring tea. मोर हाथ मुँह धोई पके and bring tea. चाय देवे. Okay, you take him to the upstairs. Who said whom? Mr. Bethy asked his her daughter to take the writer to upstairs. Right? As we drank tea, चा पीला बेलू I talked about India. मु भारत विषय कथबार्ता हेली. Who talked? The writer talked about India. Mr. Bethy showed me a photograph of her son. Who showed whom? Mr. Bethy showed a photograph of his son to the writer. It had been kept very neatly. तो बहुत जाग्रत रखा जाइए. इन एन एनवेलप ताकू गोटे कवर भितर लफाफा भितर रखा जाइए. बाय द मदर माँ रखी. His name was Frankie. Who was Frankie? Frankie was the son of the widow mother, Mr. Bethy, or the brother of whom? The girl, young girl, Maggie. Could understand? We read 2 pages of the story, the priceless gift. We will have more discussion about the other paragraphs in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.